Despite years of improvements and updates, Notepad can still occasionally crash. Now, if it is constantly closing or crashing on your Windows, here are some tips to help resolve the issue. Now, one solution is to resize the Notepad window by clicking the Restore Down button in the top right corner, then dragging it to the desired size using the left mouse button. Next, repair it by searching Installed Apps, locate Notepad, click More Options, and click the Repair option. But if the Notepad continues to close automatically, you can consider resetting it. And lastly, try reinstalling the Notepad app. To do it, search for Notepad, right-click on it, and select Uninstall. Now once the application is removed, head over to the Notepad application on the Microsoft Store in order for you to download and install Notepad again. Following this, the application should work smoothly. Now that's what you should do if Notepad keeps crashing in Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.